Welcome guys, today I am with Metz TV and I'm going to show you how you can change the date and the time. So at the first we have to go for the settings in the right upper corner. Next we have to go for the device preferences. Right now pick date and the time. And as you can see at the first we got three options available, like automatic date and the time. We can set the time zone and also use 24-hour format. So if you want to enable this option, just click on the switcher. If you want to change date and time manually, click for the automatic date and time and power it off. Right now you will be able to set the date, click OK to confirm, and the same with the time. Click OK to confirm and there it is. Honestly, I'm gonna use the automatic time and date provided by my network. That's how we can make it in this TV. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.